All right, let's rock and roll. Tuesday morning, getting the morning walk in. It's a swamp in Chicago, hot, steamy, 80 degrees at 6 a.m., about 100% humidity, no factor. Let's get going. Interesting market yesterday, all right? The big news, that Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine gets full FDA approval. Great news, stocks move higher on it, particularly technology. The Nadex yesterday, 1.5% move to the upside. Seeing some green on the screen once again this morning. What impact did it have on other markets? Well, risk on. So we saw the dollar get hit yet again. Dollar weakness. We're seeing oil drive higher. Couple things going on in oil. Obviously, this vaccine news good for the reopening trade. Also had a production fire off the coast of Mexico. That's given oil a bit of a boost. 5% move yesterday, up another 2% this morning. We're just shy of $67 a barrel. So there is a lot to trade right now across multiple markets. Nadex is a great home for that. Short-term opportunities. Speaking of short-term, we're not too far out from the big Jackson Hole Summit. Thursday, Friday, Fed Chairman Powell speaks on Friday. Big event, big market event. Strap in, let's get ready. All right, folks, it's Tuesday. Let's get going. Let's get back to work. I'll check in with you again tomorrow.